Here we have the integral of dx over the square root of x squared plus 6x plus 10. Notice in here that the integrand is in form of 1 over p of x. P of x is just a polynomial. So to able to use the table of integration, I'm going to derive the p of x. First, I'm going to try to complete the square, and if I'm not successful, I'm going to try to factor the quadratic. So this is the polynomial here. It's what under the square root. So first, I'm going to try to complete the square. Here we have x squared plus 6x plus 10. I think that's going to be factored into x and plus 3 square. This is going to be equal to x squared plus 2 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by x, and then plus 3 squared. That's going to be equal to x squared, and then 2 multiplied by 3 is 6x, and then plus 3 squared is 9. Here we have a 10, and here we have a 9, so we are missing plus 1. So I'm going to add plus 1. So I'm going to add here plus 1 and here plus 1. Therefore, this is going to be equal to x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus 1 is just 10. Now, the right side equal to the left side. Therefore, complete the square will be like this. So this integral here is going to be equal to 1 over and then square root of this term in here. Going to be x plus 3, then square plus 1, and then dx. Now, let's look into the table of integration. This is the table of integration. Note that our integral involves a square root, so we're going to move to here. And since our integral is 1 over a square root, and then we have a positive sign under the square root, we're going to use 29. To use number 29, first we have to figure out what is x and what is a. Here, I'm going to change the name of this x in here. I'm going to call it x naught and then dx naught. So first, what is x? So x is going to be what's under the power of 2. It's going to be x naught and then plus 3. Now what is a? So a squared going to be equal to 1, and therefore a going to be equal to the square root of 1, which is equal to 1. Now we are ready to plug that into the antiderivative. So this integral here is going to be equal to natural log of x, which is x naught plus 3, and then plus square root of x squared, which is again x naught plus 3 squared, and then plus a squared, which is just equal to 1, and then plus a constant. And therefore, that's the antiderivative of the integral.